Hello folks, welcome to Bell's Camper Sales. I'm Sean P. RV, and I want to go over today with this 2023 Rockwood. It's a Geo Pro. It's the G20 BHS model. So the first thing I'd like to do is invite you to come along and we'll check out the outside first. Come with me. Okay folks, welcome back. We're going to do the exterior video on the 2023 Geo Pro by Rockwood. It's the G20 BHS series. So it's going to have bunk beds in it. We'll look at that in the interior here in a moment. Let me just show you some of the neat features on this unit. As right off the bat, you can see it has a really nice long awning. You have your frameless windows. You have a place for your outside grill right there, right here. So all of these are going to come with outside grills, solar panels, and Wi-Fi. You've got a walkable roof. There's the ladder that goes up to the top. You can see right away on top, you've got your max air vent, which is covered so the elements won't get in your interior of your trailer when inclement weather comes around. You also have a hitch on back here. So if you want to pull a little trailer, that's pretty nice right there. Really nice ladder. You get up on top, you can see your Wi-Fi unit there, and the solar panel will be on just right of your air conditioner up there. You have your paneless windows again over here. What I think is a really neat feature on this unit is you can go in your trailer through your bunkhouses from the outside. That allows you to put a lot of storage underneath here, and it makes for a nice emergency door. It's got one slide on it. That'll be your dinette when we go inside. Here's all your docking hookups right here. You've got an outdoor shower right here. That's where your electric goes. On these doors, they have magnets on them instead of clips that might break. So that's really nice. You've got your docking lights here. You got your outside cable and satellite. Here's your city water connections. Got auto glass window in front. This has a lot of windows on it. So when you get inside, it makes it look really spacious, especially with the nice little slide on the side. When you buy a camper here at Bell Camper Sales, we will fill your propane bottles and put your fresh new batteries in it. This also has an electric jack. That makes it very, very convenient when you're hooking up and getting ready to go down the road. Very aerodynamic trailer. It has a roof that slopes, so the waters will come off in the gutters right here. And those gutters are extended out so the water doesn't run down your trailer and make stains. But I was wanting to show you, that goes all the way through, clear to the other side. Lots of room there. Lots of storage for you. Okay, now that we've seen the outside of the trailer, why don't you come with me on the interior? We'll just do a little video of that. Here, let's go. All right, folks, Sean P. RV back. We are looking at the 2023 G20 BHS from Rockwood. It's a Geo Pro. It's got a single axle, but the independent suspension on those. Right when you walk in, you can see the dinette slide. And then to the right, you can see the boudoir, nice windows, very open, nice floor plan. And looky there, there's TV. That is cool. Now, yeah, that TV can pop out and move around. So when you're in the kitchen, which is a really nice kitchen with lots of storage, there's your sink, 3-burner stove, nice size refrigerator with your microwave up top. Notice that the storage in this is really nice. You got storage up above there. You got storage down below your dinette. It's a nice long dinette. set. You got windows on both sides, and in the back there, it lets, and the side windows really let this air out, which is really cool. See that? How nice? That'd give you a good lake view. All right, and we go back here, and here's the bunks, and they're really long. I mean, I'm 6'4", and I could sleep on one of those with ease. That's your little door that goes to the outside, by the way. Let's look in the restroom here. It's at the back of the trailer. More storage, lavatory, nice tub. It's pretty deep as well. You've got your nice skylight. That's your max air vent that I was talking about. And a nice little mirror with your plug-ins like that. More storage here. Clear down the floor. This is how it looks from the back looking forward. Your dinette, lots of windows, lots of light to be able to let in, or you can pull them and not let any light in at all. But this is the interior of the 2023 Geo Pro G20 BHS. And I want to thank you for letting me share this video with you. Sean P. RV. Talk to you soon.